Docker is like this, a tool that packs your application and everything it needs into a simple portable box, so it runs the same anywhere. Before Docker, things were a mess. Developers had to manually move their code from their laptop to production servers. Can you imagine that chaos? Missing dependencies, wrong library versions, and even different OS. Software that worked perfectly on their laptop was crashing on the production server. So you will say, okay, to avoid this, let's develop the app directly on that production server. But then, what if you need to move that app to another server? Same story. Different operating system, different configuration, missing dependencies, endless hours of troubleshooting just to make the same app run. It was a nightmare. And then came Docker. In this video, you will see exactly how and why Docker changed software forever. My name is Diego. I'm a networks and systems engineer based in Paris, and I like breaking down tech concepts into simple and visual explanations. If you want to see more videos like this one, feel free to subscribe, and that's all. Back to the video. Imagine building a house. You need wood, screws, and everything must match exactly. Now imagine trying to rebuild that same house in another country. The wood is different, the screws are not the same size, and some tools are missing. That's exactly what deploying software used to feel like. Developers carefully built apps, but moving them elsewhere caused everything to break down. Different operating system, missing libraries, version conflicts, misconfigured environmental variables. It was a disaster. Docker asked a simple question. What if you could package the app and everything it needs into a single portable unit, like packing your entire house into a shipping container, ready to move anywhere, fully intact? In technical terms, Docker uses something called containers. A container packs your app and environment into a lightweight, isolated unit. It's not a full virtual machine, it's much lighter. It shares the host OS, but keeps your app completely separated. A Docker container includes your app's code, all required libraries and dependencies, configuration files, and runtime settings. So how do you build a container? You write a simple script called a Dockerfile. It tells Docker, start from this base image, install these libraries, copy my app, and run it like this. Once you finish writing your Dockerfile, you build an image from that file. Once your image is ready, you run a container using that image. And that's all. Your app is running. But you don't need to do everything each time. Once your image is ready, you can run as many containers as you want using that image. That's cool, isn't it? And that's not all. What if you don't want to build everything from scratch? That's where Docker Hub comes in. Docker Hub is like an app store, but for containers. It is a massive library of ready-to-use container images made by developers and companies. Let's say you need a new MySQL database. You have two options. Option 1, install it manually. You install the dependencies, then of course fix some broken packages, then configure settings and spend like 1 hour troubleshooting. Option 2, open Docker Hub, pull the official MySQL container and run it in one command. And that's it. You have your new database running. Thanks to Docker Hub, you can skip all the setup and start building faster. Today, Docker is everywhere. Startups use it to launch products fast. Enterprises scale microservices across thousands of servers. Developers test apps locally exactly how they will run in production. So let's make a quick summary. Before Docker, deploying apps was a pain. It was frustrating and messy. With Docker, apps are portable, reliable, and easy to deploy. To create a container, you need to write a Dockerfile, then build an image using that file, then run a container using that image. And if you don't want to build everything from scratch, you can just use Docker Hub to find images done by someone else. Whether you are building a side project or running a massive system, Docker helps you to run your software anywhere. If this video helped you to understand Docker better, give me some feedback in the comments. I will appreciate it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.